If you follow these tips, not only are you going to feel more like yourself, the old you, that thing you crave the most, but at the end of all this, you're going to be kind of jacked. Welcome back to Andrew Scoggin Barbell, where I am discussing in this series the mind-muscle connection to help you get away from depersonalization, to get out of your mind and get back into your body. So this exercise here is a machine bench press, but this is going to apply to your dumbbell bench pressing, your barbell bench pressing, any type of machine bench pressing there is, basically any type of bench pressing. All you're going to want to do is find that deep stretch those muscle fibers, feel like it's almost ripping a little bit, like it's going to be kind of uncomfortable if you're not used to it. And then you're going to come up and you're going to contract. And I warn you, when you do this, you do not need much weight. If you're normally benching the 80s and you're just flying them up, the dumbbells, drop it down to 35s maybe, and just practice getting that deep stretch, because I guarantee you most of you are out there and you're just doing this. I see a lot of people doing this. I'm laying down on the bench press, right? You're coming down, you're going about halfway down, and you're struggling, and maybe even at the top here you've been doing this. I want you to keep your chest up, shoulder blades back and down, get a big stretch, deep, come back up and contract and get back down in that stretch, and even hold it for a couple of seconds. And each rep, even allow yourself to get a little lower. Try to really open up that chest, those fibers. Here, let me show you. Give you an example. All right, like I said, a lot of people are going to be doing this, and they're thinking they're doing something. Over time, a long time, you'll probably get some results when it comes to bodybuilding. But bodybuilding is less important than getting you out of your head and into your body. So let's feel your body. Let's get that nice deep stretch, contract. Nice deep stretch. My shoulder blades are back and down. Chest is not flat, it's up. Back is arched a bit. Coming back up. You don't need much weight if you're doing it this way. I'm a pretty big guy and I could do a lot more weight, but I don't care about that anymore. All I care about is getting that nice big stretch and contraction. Now, as an added benefit of getting out of your mind and into your body, if you follow these tips, not only are you going to feel more like yourself, the old you, that thing you crave the most, but at the end of all this, you're going to be kind of jacked, which is going to be nice. So you're going to get at the end of the tunnel, you're going to feel like you used to, you're going to feel great again, and you're going to have more confidence because now you're in shape. So follow for more tips.